Hello everyone, when I'm working on something bigger for the top-down shooter tutorial, I found a bug. This happens when you start reloading and switch to another weapon. And it totally disabling shooting until you reload some weapon. Let's fix it. Open BP character and find switch weapon event. After the weapon is set, call getAmmo state and check if the magazine is empty. If the magazine is empty, call start reload. If it isn't, set is reloading to false and call unlock attack processing. We fixed the main bug, and now let's clean some unnecessary logs. Open BP enemy and remove print text for attack. Test how everything works. And it works well. Thank you for your attention and see you soon. And here's a quickly spoil for the future. If you haven't set up C++ and code editor, now it's a great time to do it.